First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, temperatures got down into the single digits this morning. That was not a record, but we may do it again. In fact, even more so likely tonight, early tomorrow. As we get a mostly clear sky and a calm wind, temperatures could get a little bit closer to zero than they were this morning. Here's a look at First Alert live Doppler radar. We're seeing 15 degrees, which we continue to climb in temperature as the sun comes out. Some of you still seeing some cloud cover and even a few flurries, especially south and east of the Bowling Green area. As you head out toward the Cumberland Plateau, a few returns on radar. Not everything reaching the ground, but a few flurries are certainly possible. Then you head north and east of Bowling Green. We're seeing a mainly sunny sky, and that should continue for the rest of the day. As we check temperatures now across the Mesonet network, at least we're not seeing any single digits right now, just barely so, though. E-Town and Hodgenville both at 10 degrees, so is Campbellsville. Everybody else at least in the low to mid-teens now. Still a little bit of a stiff north wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. That produces a wind chill factor, though, still in the single digits. Even a few places still feeling a little bit below zero, like Greenville. It feels like -1 there. Same for Calhoun and Munfordville. Edmonton still at -1. Everybody else in near zero or in the single digits as far as the wind chill. So if you're going out at midday or any time this afternoon, you still need to dress for the chill. There's a little bit of sun trying to work through now, but we're looking east on the Scottsville Road weather cam from Independence Bank in front of the Bowling Green Airport. At least we're starting to see some clearing now back to our west. 14 right now at the airport or the Mesonet site here in town, and feels like 6 degrees once you factor in that north-northwest wind coming in at 5 miles per hour, but a pretty dry atmosphere, especially here near the surface. So that's why a lot of the snow returns we're seeing on the radars just not making it all the way to the ground. Here is the view from Glasgow, and our AAA Systems Weather Cam network starting to see a little bit of blue sky coming in now. After a low of 5 this morning, you're at 13 currently in Barron County. We go to Simpson County, you're at 12 in Franklin after a low this morning of 9 at the Mesonet site there. Now you're seeing a much nicer looking sky there in Munfordville. Lots of sunshine, just a few high cirrus clouds. You're at 11 degrees after being at 8 early this morning. We're still seeing some single digits off to the north and east, starting to find, though, teens and 20s further south. In fact, if you keep going further south, that's where we start to see a big line of winter weather advisories, winter storm watches, and now winter storm warnings from Jackson, Mississippi, down to New Orleans, Mobile Bay, Birmingham, Atlanta, Macon, Georgia, places that never see or hardly ever see winter weather. They're getting hammered right now and will continue to get some snow and ice. It is very icy from Fort Payne, Alabama. Folks are sliding off the roads and interstates there. South of Birmingham, it's ice and freezing rain. Atlanta getting some snow right now. Now, none of that's going to hit us, but it's just going to be southeast of us, a little bit of a rare winter storm for the southeastern United States. For us, high pressure will continue to be in tow here. We're on the east side of the high, so that means still a very chilly northerly flow here. But tonight the winds will relax, a clear sky. That's what, or the reason why we're going to get down close to zero again. But tomorrow, as the high pressure center moves east, a more southerly flow, that should help us moderate maybe into the mid-20s, and it looks like nice weather for at least a couple of days. 16 this afternoon. That's the best we can do today with that sun and cloud mix. Clear, bitterly cold, down to 4 for an overnight low tonight. Then up to 26 tomorrow. And even warmer 41 on Thursday with a better southwesterly wind flow. 43 on Friday. Mainly rain here, but it could start as a little precip mix. Same goes for Saturday, near 50. That could end as a little precip mix as well. Sunday into Monday, high temperatures for at least the first time in a long time will stay in the 40s. We are back with more Midday Live in just a minute.